Hey guys, welcome back. Today is Monday, first trading day of the week, and the market is quite bullish. In fact, Nasdaq is up more than 1%, and same for the other indices is also up, but not as much as Nasdaq, and typically that is the case. Another purpose of this video update is to update you that I do have closing trades, in fact two of them, one losing trade and one super big winning trade, right? Okay, and what is that one that is a super big winning trade? Let's jump in and I'll show you more. Okay, so we are at my screen right now. You can see over here, not so many trades anymore, just Intel, Coca-Cola, Nvidia, and Pfizer, right? Okay, so basically 4 outstanding trades, right? Okay, but of course, Coca-Cola, there's 2 trades in one go, right? Okay, all going against me. Why? Because Coca-Cola went up since last week, right? Okay, so it's in a loss. One is hitting my stop loss, right? The other one, the stop loss is still quite far away, but we see how it goes. Nvidia is going into more in profit, which is a good thing. But the main purpose of me sharing this with you is because Microsoft hit my stop loss late last Friday, right? Okay, and I took profit on MRNA, right? Why? Because more of risk management. Because over here I went in around 42, right, which is a better price than my entry price, if you remember, 42 plus, right? Okay, let's take a look over here. Over here I went in at 42.12, right? Okay, 42.12. So if I went in at 42.12 thereabout, right, slightly better than my entry price, and it's now 32 plus, it has moved about $10, right, in share price, right, in my favor, right? Okay, so even if I wait for it to hit my stop loss, which is $1 away, it's not going to give me much bigger profits. In fact, it's just another maybe a few dollars kind of profit, and I already have $58, right? Okay, and this is the reason why I took the profit, right? Okay, just to protect myself and bang in the profits, right? Okay, another one is I say Microsoft hit my stop loss, right? But the good thing is BAC already given me very good profits last week, right? Okay, so you might think that, hey, like MRNA is not a big profit, it's just $58, or you might even say Amazon is not a very big profit, it's just $46, right? Okay, or even Facebook, right, which is $62, is a big profit. So you might think that it's not too big. So this account, like I say, if you saw my you follow my video very faithfully, every update, you might have come across me talking about my bigger account, which trade exactly like my small account, right? Okay, so I'm going to show you very quickly my bigger account. So these are the history. Like I say again, is exactly the same in terms of the take profit, stop loss, even BAC over here you can see. But most importantly, why I say it's a big profit is because you look at MRNA, right? Okay, it was only $58 on my smaller account, but on this bigger account, it's making me $832. Right, okay, and you might think that, like I say just now, Amazon might not be a big profit, but it's a $665 kind of profit. And you might think that Facebook is not a big profit, but it's actually $875 of profit. And how do we know that it is big? Because 800 to a lot of people might think that it's small, right? Okay, to some other people might is big. We talk about it being a big profit compared with the losses, right? So you can see the stop losses is only 200 plus over here, 200 plus over here, 200 plus over here, 200 plus over here, 300 plus over here, 200 plus over here, right? Except for the end video gap lah, right? Okay, which got me a slightly bigger loss, right? Okay, but other than that, you can see my profits are 500 over over here, 400 over, 800 over, 600 over, 800 over, right? Okay, so overall I would say it's big profit in relation to the losses, right? Okay, in relation to the losses. So you can see over here, Microsoft, even though it hit my stop loss, I lost 200 plus, right? Okay, but MRNA was able to get me a profit of about 4 times the loss of Microsoft, right? Okay, which is considered a big profit, right? Okay, so don't think it's small or big, right? Small or big is just based on the losses that I'm taking, right? If the losses I'm taking is just 200 plus, generally that is the case. 800 plus profit in a winning trade is considered big, right? Okay, yeah, yeah, that's the purpose of this video is to update you. Basically, I have two closing trades. One is Microsoft and one is MRNA. But of course, I always keep showing you the smaller account is because I want to show you that even a small account, you can consistently, slowly build your capital and consistently get profits from the markets, right? Of course, I do show you my bigger account as well, right? And this bigger account, trades exactly the same trades as my smaller account, right? Okay, so yeah, I only have to do one trade, and these two accounts will execute the same trades, right? Of course, the size will be different proportional to the account size, right? Okay, now having said that, like I say again, Nasdaq is up more, about 1.3% now. Previously, it was up a little bit lesser. Now it's climbing back up again, right? Almost 1.3%, and S&P is up roughly 0.5%, and Dow Jones is also up 0.18%. So market is pretty bullish, right? You can see Intel, which I shorted based on my profit signal, right, is also turning back up, right? Okay, up 4%, right? But good thing is NVIDIA is climbing towards my take profit zone, right? And PFE, even though it's climbing up, is still giving me profit because I entered I shorted it at a much higher price, right? Okay, so we see how it will move and go, right? I'm still waiting for new trades coming in, but definitely the way I see it, it might not happen in this 1 or 2 days. But of course, Coca-Cola, I have two trades. One is done roughly in December, and one recently this month, right? Okay, but the one that I did recently this month is nearing my stop loss, right? So I do expect roughly $10 over to $20 over of losses in my smaller account, right? Okay, even though it hit my stop loss for this trade, it might not hit this one, so we will see how it goes, right? Okay, but anyway, even if Coca-Cola, touch wood, worst case, hit my two stop losses over here and here, overall I believe I will still do fine. The main reason is because like I mentioned, MRNA is able to make roughly 4 times of my stop losses, right? Okay, so generally, if Coca-Cola, both of them hits my stop loss, and even Microsoft hit my stop loss, I with MRNA winning trade alone, which I already closed, is more than enough to cover all 3 trades and still make an overall profit, right? You can see how defensive I am in using the profit signal, right? Making sure I make bigger profits and take smaller losses, right? And this is all designated by the profit signal, right? I just follow the stop loss and take profit, and that's it, right? Okay, and implement some common sense in terms of risk management or money management, or even you can call it trade management, right? Okay, everything is still doing good, right? The account is still climbing up gradually, right? Consistently giving me profits month over month, right? Okay, that's what we want, right? I also spending only just 5 minutes a day trading this. In fact, recording this video takes more time than actually trading the account, following the profit signal, right? Okay, but definitely I do enjoy updating you on how I trade my account using the profit signal. And if you do enjoy watching this, make sure you like the video and do subscribe to our channel. That's all from me. May the profits be with you, and see you soon in my next update. See you soon.
Hope you love the video and learn something new from it. If you want to receive more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for notification. And if you want to learn more about the trade to win formula that I use in my trades, click on the link or button around this video to join my next free online workshop. In the workshop, you'll learn everything from finding the best opportunities to making consistent winning trades in the markets. I'll see you on the inside.